Okay, today we're talking about ferro rods, so let's get it. Okay, today I wanted to talk about the pros and cons of carrying a ferro rod versus matches or lighter or a bow drill set. Ferro rods are made up of iron, a mixture of iron, magnesium, and a couple of other metals, and it causes it that when you take it and you take the spine of your knife and you run it along, it sparks. So it is a non-rust type metal. It does get this film on it, and once you use it a little bit, it'll get silver. So if you can see the difference, that's what a ferro rod looks like. So I turned this one into a necklace so that you can just wear it and not have to worry about it falling or keeping it in a pack somewhere. You always know where you got it. You just hacksaw it off and epoxy some wire onto it and turn it into a necklace. Then you know exactly where it is. Another kind of ferro rod I have is a Uberleben, or Uberleben, however you say that. And this is a little ferro rod with a striker built in. So you take this part and just grab the paracord, take the striker, and you just strike it, and it's a necklace. So again, you know exactly where it is. It's portable, and you can just wear it and forget about it. Like this isn't a ferro rod, but it's about the same size. Okay? Once you get used to a necklace, you wear it, you forget about it, and then you know exactly where it is for when you need it. So it does. You will want a longer one. You'll want a bigger one than this, okay? This one isn't very big. You'll want like a 1/2 inch one. So you'll get on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below of just a size. I don't know if that brand is good. I'll leave a couple of different links to sites for ferro rods, but you'll want a 1/2 inch size one, and you'll want one with a good handle, because if it has a little handle and you're holding onto it way back here, it'll just pop out. So you can either saw it off, wrap some duct tape around it, turn it into something, but you'll want something longer than this because you can only use this much of it. And then when it gets down to here, you're stuck with a nub. Okay? It does last a good long time. And you can always just throw it in water and then pick it straight up and use it. So that's the perks of using a ferro rod. The downside of ferro rods is, in the survival community, it's become a do or die thing. Oh, you're not a whole hardcore guy unless you use these all the time, or you use bow drills. That's not true, because why would I use a bow drill if I have a lighter? You can even start a fire with a lighter if it doesn't have any fluid in it. So as long as you have something to make a fire you're good. And this is always a good backup. Okay, I have a cattail right here, and I will show you how effective it is as a fire starter. Okay, you just want to fluff it up. I have another video, I'll leave a card up above, to cattail fire starter. But okay, you just kind of fluff it up. Take your knife, use the back of it, and it lights. Okay. And that's how easy it is. Just takes a couple of strikes, and once you're good at it, you can get a fire going. So you'll want some other staple other than cattail fluff, but you know, it works in a pinch. And you can always take it and scrape a whole bunch off, and then light it. And once you get a pile of it, then it acts like a magnesium stick because it has magnesium in it, and then it just goes and lights. So that's how ferro rods work, and they're simple, they're cheap, they're easy, and you can always keep them with you. So it's always a good you know, addition to your kit or your information, your knowledge for knowing how to do it and having one. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you want, and thanks again.